Kayla has just eaten a meal. Glucose is found in wheat and rye and any food that contain these grains. As her body digests the food, glucose enters the bloodstream, and the pancreas produces insulin, a peptide hormone which allows glucose to enter the cells. The glucose needs to enter the cell for energy but cannot without the help of insulin. Insulin binds onto the insulin receptor found on the cell membrane, which allows the insulin to react with the cell and triggers a dormant protein to wake up. The protein then travels to a vesicle within the cell that contains GLUT4, an insulin-regulated protein that transports glucose into the cell and causes it to move to the cell membrane. The tubes in the GLUT4 vesicle allow the glucose to pass into the cell, where it eventually travels to the mitochondria to produce ATP. In type 1 diabetes, insulin is not produced, so glucose stays inside the bloodstream. And in type 2 diabetes, insulin receptors have become immune to insulin and does not recognize it. This is called insulin resistance. In both types, glucose cannot enter the cell and the body cannot make ATP, and toxic glucose remains in the cell.